Hello and welcome to another video. All right, guys, so first of all, I wanted to thank everyone that's been subscribing to the channel. We've got a lot of new viewers, a lot of new subscribers on here, and I also wanted to apologize for the long break in my videos. I know you guys were waiting for the next Porsche video that was coming out, but I joined a group build on Reddit. Follow this model cars page on Reddit, and I decided to join a group build and test my skills up against some of the other people. And man, there are some very incredible builders out there. Thankfully, they had two classes. They had a class for novices like myself and a class for people who have more experience. Nonetheless, the novice class was very, very competitive. And for this video, I didn't do a shooting of the painting process, as this was very, very rushed. It was only a 3-week time period, and I really only had the weekends to work on it. So my build for this group build competition on Reddit was, you guessed it, a Porsche. We went with the Jägermeister 934 RSR Turbo. I really wanted to do this one in the full livery, but we ended up making it a street version because of our time restrictions on the project, and it turned out really nice. It came out as a really nice wide body Porsche essentially, and here she is in all her glory. Boom. She came out very, very nice. I'm super satisfied with it. I'm even more satisfied with this engine. Look at that. I'm gonna give you guys some better high detailed shots in some clips so you guys can see it. But in this video, you guys are going to be pretty much just seeing the assembly process of this build. But for this build, I went ahead and picked up some of those AK real color markers, and man, they were a huge help for me. They helped speed up a lot of the engine bay painting parts and things like that, little details. And also we picked up airbrushing. So we got a chance to try our hand at some airbrushing. We used it for the interior parts, and they came out very nice looking, especially for my first crack at airbrushing. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. In terms of the kit, this kit, I was very impressed. This was my first Tamiya kit that I got that had almost no flashing. I had to remove very, very little flash. Just the minimal sanding on the body from the little I forgot what it's called. Whatever, the flashing on the body. And also, this was my first time using photo etch parts, and that was an experience in itself. They're very, very difficult to deal with because we had to do them on these little tiny, you see those right here? And the little hood in the back. And there's some other ones along the way as well. But I'm very, very happy with this kit. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And we used a new camera for this video, so I hope you guys enjoy the better quality. So yeah, guys, no painting in this video, just the assembly of the already painted parts. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed building it, because this thing came out a stunner, I gotta tell you.